Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Trophy. Today I'm going to be trying on a wig from Klaiyi hair. This is the Pull&Go Yaki straight wig in 24 inches. It has 7x5 closure. I was showing you guys the goodies that come inside of the package, and then they also have this lace tape that comes, and they give you a nice amount. So I'm just unboxing the wig and taking off the net. This is what the hairline looks like straight out of the box on the little hair thing that they have, and then I'm going to show it again on my skin. So the construction of the wig is, like I said, 7x5 lace. It has 2 clips on the side, it has an adjustable strap, it has a clip in the back, and then the main thing that it has, which is why they call it the Pull&Go wig, is it has this like drawstring at the back. So this is really good because it helps to adjust to your head shape so that it can fit on you comfortably. So basically you pull it, and then you have this little black little piece, and you pull that down, and it helps so that the wig stays intact and it doesn't move, so it can be the exact size that you want it to be. So I just added a little bit of my powder to my lace so that it can match and blend with my skin perfectly. So I'm just trying it on and just making sure everything is in the right place. I'm going to go and fix my part and make it how I want it to be. So this is an up close look of what the lace looks like. I haven't done anything, did the drawstring pull or anything like that. As you can see, it's loosey goosey, it's moving up and down, but we are about to change that. I am about to pretty much customize it for my head. So I'm going to pin it up, and then as you can see, I'm pulling it. And then you can see that little black piece right there. Like I said, that's going to help it so that it can stay in place and it doesn't move. That's a great feature, because if you don't, usually you do the drawstring and then it eventually goes back to its regular shape. But this helps it so that it can fit your head nicely. And then I'm doing the same test again, and as you can see, the lace was nice and flat into my head. And I'm just showing you guys the little ear portion part as well. I like how it contours to my ear so that when I wear it, it's nice and comfortable. Now I am going to cut a couple layers in the front of the wig. I'm just pulling out the front pieces, and I'm just cutting, going in a downward motion just to frame my face in that front area. Now I'm going with my wax stick, and then I'm going to go over it with my hot comb to make sure that middle part is nice and flat. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with my flat iron and straighten my hair all over. I didn't really pull specific pieces out. I was just going over pretty much all of it, just pulling random pieces out and making sure it's nice and straight. Like I said, this is the Yaki straight texture, which is yep, that's my favorite texture. Okay, I'll admit it, I love me some Yaki straight because it just really reminds me of my own hair texture, when it's straightened to a T. So I'm just going and straightening it all over. Okay, y'all, so the hair is all straightened, and I'm just showing you guys just how much body and bounce. Look at the shine. It just shines so nicely in the light. Look at the hairline up close. As you can see, it has a very natural, and look how it just looks like scalp right there. That little part, that looked like it was growing, I got a silk press. That's how my hair be looking when I get my fresh silk presses. I'm telling y'all, that scalp, they did that right there. I'm just showing you guys like what the back looks like. It has a lot of movement, a lot of body, and I love the sheen or the shine of it, like the color of the hair and how it just like shines in the light. So now I'm just adjusting the part just to show you guys that of course you can adjust the part. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part. So I'm just putting a little bit of the wax stick on the side and you know, making my new part. So this is what the hair looks like if I were to wear it in a side part. Still super cute, but I'm gonna go back to my middle part and then we're going to curl it. So this is another way you can wear this hair. It does curl nicely. So I'm just using my curling iron and I'm curling to the back, and I'm gonna do that on both sides. Okay, y'all, I'm done curling one side. As you can see, it does curl, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. I waited for it to cool down a little bit because I like for my curls to be like effortless, not like super uniform. So I'm just like separating them, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing I did on this side to the other side and curl the other side. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with this look. So I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like curl. As you can see, it is very versatile. You can do a middle part, side part, wear it straight, wear it curly. The lace on it is absolutely beautiful. I love the texture of it. Up close, it looks really nice. The hairline, everything, it just has like a really natural look, and I love the drawstring feature. So if you like this wig or any other wig, make sure to check out the Klaiyi website. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.